Yeah, well, I got the wheels on. Probably a little hard to see them. There we go. And if I were just putting this thing back to the way it came from the factory, these would be perfect. But for what I want to do with them, they are not right. They're only about a 1/4 inch difference than the ones that were on it. And let's see if we can see anything under here. Not terribly well. But I've got a good solid 2 to 2.5 inches that I can suck these things in. So I'm talking to a wheel shop up in Michigan about what we can do with these things, because I want to take them from a 15.7 with about a 3 3/4 inch back spacing to, since we're going to be doing it, narrow them down to about a 15.6 and go to 5.5 back spacing, maybe. Whatever I can do to clear that shock. That's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if they can do it. But to get them to see if they can, I got to pop this thing back off, pull the tire off of it, and take some pictures and dimensions of the rim for them so they can see what they're working with. I'm kind of hoping, because these aren't going to work. I mean, for what I want. I need to get these things in, try to get them as close to inside of this fender as I can. I can go in a ways, but we'll have to see. It's going to be interesting. Alright, so I've done a few of these, just for the hell of it. Let's see how long it goes. Alright. Feel stupid having to take this off after I put it on Saturday, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. done. So, guess now I gotta go get the camera, take some pictures and some dimensions of this bugger, and send it to them tomorrow morning and see what they can come up with for me. But I may end up, if possible, not sure how, but honestly I'd be fine if they just welded a plate on this rim and re-drilled from my valve stem to get the offset correct. But we'll see what they think. Maybe they don't have to do that, because really, if they undish this, it'll probably work. So, anyway, we will let you know how they say. So putting them back on is always a little bit more of a pain in the ass than getting them off. You're supposed to, I guess, be able to use that bar somehow to get them on. I have yet to figure that out after all these years, so I just brute force it. With some spoons. This is where it starts looking funny. That's it. Flip it over and get the bead to seat. Pump it up. Good to go. So, hopefully, at least I'm glad I'm proficient at that, because I intend to be blowing a lot of these frickin' things eventually. So, anyway, gonna get that back on the car, get the car parked, get these pictures ready to send up to Detroit tomorrow.